Hi, I'm Connor, 32. This is my wife, Jade.
I'm Jade, I'm 28, and we've got 2 children. So our house is a 3-bedroom house. It's got an open kitchen diner area, a good sized lounge, very big garden. One of my favourite spots in the house is the hallway and the landing, because the stairs spiral up and it's very bright and airy. I think your favourite is the garden, isn't it?
Oh, I love the garden. It's absolutely massive. It's just a beautiful feeling when you step out there. You get that real paradise, really.
So where we were previously living, we'd actually rented for just over 9 years, and the landlord had decided to start the process of selling the property. We just had a newborn baby also, so we're in a bit of a sticky situation of where we were going to go. So that's the reason we did end up moving and looked into the shared ownership, because it was an affordable option for us.
Even though it was only round the corner, it's like separate worlds, almost like going from different counties. We come from a terrace house.
So the process itself was actually quite simple, we thought, wasn't it? Guinness were very supportive with everything. They helped us with picking solicitors, mortgage brokers, and once we'd done the forms, it was...
There's so many different terminologies that comes up that Guinness especially really broke it down easy for us.
When we first moved to the site, we thought it was very welcoming. It's quite quiet at the moment because not everybody's moved in, but it's very green, it's nice, fresh. The outside of the houses are very, very nice and nice to look at. So we really like the surrounding, and it's going to be good for the children when they start to grow up.
Yeah.
And the finish that's actually on the house, it looks very clean, everywhere's lovely and white and crisp, and it makes it just feel very light and airy. We love it.
When we were looking for the house, there was a couple of must-haves. Driveway, integrated appliances, and an ensuite, just to have your own space. That for me are the 3 big things. The reason that we picked shared ownership for me is the ability to build positive equity from the start. To be able to do that at an affordable rate speaks for itself.
I don't think shared ownership is talked about enough at all. It's not something that we were really aware of before we looked into it ourselves, into buying. So, and for other people, especially people in similar ages for us, I don't think they understand how it works, what percentages you're able to get, what deposits you also need with that. So we do think there could be a lot more out there on shared ownership and helping families like ourselves get your forever home and on the ladder.
Definitely, yeah. Anybody that is thinking about going for a shared ownership, put the application in, do it and enjoy it.